Do you want to get protected from Shayton, your family, everyone around you? You have to know this.
والله ما في هذه الدنيا ألذ من اشتياق العبد للرحمن.
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله وبعد. In this video, inshallah, we are going to explain for us how to get protected from Shaytan and its workers. We all know what is going viral around us here and there, using human being for ritual and other.
Mo ra orí ènìyàn. 20,000. Mo fẹ́ lò. Fún ìkànnù.
Bàbá ti pa fún Ọlọ́run náà ni.
Ẹ fún Ọlọ́run.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni.
Wá lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn wá gbé ẹran díẹ̀.
Àtàpá àti ẹ̀fẹ̀ hàn tó bá nídìí.
Ẹ̀yin orí ẹ̀ lọ tọ́jú bí lẹ́yìn.
Orí ẹ̀ ni. So ìgbà tí ẹ wá gé orí ẹ̀, kí ló wá ṣẹlẹ̀?
Kò sí nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ lẹ́yìn.
Kí lẹ fi gé orí ẹ̀?
Orí ẹ̀ wà nílé. Kí ni bí àjà báyẹn.
All these things are happening due to the success of Shaytan in human being. You know, Shaytan has planned everyone and is working hardly to succeed on his plan on every one of us. Then you have to get protected. You have to get your families to be protected against the work and the plan of Shaytan. You can imagine a child of 17 years old, 18, 19 years old are planning to do ritual, to make money, when a child of 15 years old carrying human body's head just because of what they want to make it. So this is above normal. In order not to be a follower of Shaytan or to be victim of Shaytan's plan upon us, we have some little things around us that we can do and will get protected. Do you know the meaning of al-ayn haq? Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Aynu haqqun." These are two eyes, and those devil eyes is real. During the time of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, a Sahaba called Amir saw Sahal making his bath. He just wondered the kind of skin Sahal has. By that, Sahal felt sick. Prophet sallam later knew about that. He was refused unto that. What caused that? Just because Amir saw him and impressed with his skin. Just because of that, something happened to Sahal. Both of them are Sahaba. Amir is not having any bad thing in mind. Just because of he saw him and he was amazed. After all, Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to see Amir and asked him, "Why will you do that? Instead of you to say Barakallahu lak or Barakallahu fik, or to say MashaAllah." Then he told him what to do as a solution to that. I'm just bringing this just for you to know that eyes is. Now your children around you, you leave them walking around anyhow, with different people are looking at them, seeing them. To the extent that most of us post our children's pictures on social media, anywhere, for people to see. So different kind of people are seeing it, and they can be affected by those eyes. So definitely, either by this or by that, you have to know that you have to be protected spiritually, not to get affected by Shaytan. We have series of dua, adhkar, ayat Qur'aniyah that can be used as the ruqyah to protect ourselves and our families. We all know Surah Al-Fatiha, also called Surah Al-Ruqyah, Ayatul Kursi, Awidhatan, that is Qul A'udhu bi Rabbin Nas and Qul A'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq. So all these verses and chapters of Quran are your weapons to attack Shaytan, to protect yourself against Shaytan. Try to recite these verses and chapters every morning and evening. Let your children know all this. Likewise, we have some supplications from Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam that has been guaranteed that whenever you say it, you are going to be protected. Surely, this does not request from you to be putting something in your pocket, neither your neck. So you don't need to hang anything in your house. All these are available around you and very cheap to learn and know for those who are ready to learn. Among them is أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق. We also have أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من كل شيطان وهامة ومن كل عين لامة. If it's only these two supplications you know, it's enough for you and your families. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam do say أعيذكما بكلمات الله التامة. For his grandchildren, that is Hassan and Hussein, say it to your family, place your hands on them before they leave their house. Let them say all these supplications for them to get protected from Shayton. Imagine a child attending madrasa, still having that kind of mind, kill someone. Subhanallah. So we have to get our families to be protected against Shaytan. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was treated by Ruqya through Jibril alayhi salam. How does that happen? When Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was attacked by Hevel, he was healed by Jibril alayhi salam by saying, Bismillahi arqiq min kulli shay'in yu'dhik min sharri kulli nafsin aw ayni hasidin Allahu yashfik Bismillahi arqiq. You can use it to heal, to treat your children, and place your hand on them. That's enough. So trust me, if you do this, you are going to be protected from Shaytan, and Shaytan would never succeed on you and everybody around you. That is Surah Al-Fatiha, Ayatul Kursi, Al-Mu'awwidhatan, Qul a'udhu bi Rabbin Nas, Qul a'udhu bi Rabbil Falaq. Make sure you recite them in the morning and in the evening after each of your salat. Then أعوذ بكلمات الله التامات من شر ما خلق أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من كل شيطان وهامة ومن كل عين لامة. A companion came to Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam a day and told him that he was attacked by a scorpion yesterday. Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam told him that hadn't been, you said أعوذ بكلمات الله التامة من شر ما خلق. That day you won't have been attacked by that animal. Meaning what? You are going to be protected from jinn, shaitan, animals around you. A lady passed by Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam one day and he said, Istarquha fa inna biha nadra. You have to do ruqya for this lady because I've seen a sign of being attacked in her face. Somebody can be attacked and the person self will not know himself. So don't be afraid of ruqya. Don't think ruqya is that very big thing or something else. So do ruqya for yourself, for your family, every time. Don't forget to like my page, share for your friends. Assalamu alaikum.
أرضا وحياة حبا مختلف